Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Camille, also known as GlamCam, and in this video I'm showing you how I transformed my unruly edges to these naturally looking laid and held in place baby hairs, perfect for protective styles like faux locks or passion twists, or even your wash and goes and twist outs. Like, these edges are cute and natural looking. And for this video, and for this style, all you're gonna need really is an edge brush. Of course, you know, the go-to. You can use a toothbrush. I got this from the beauty supply store, and the main product is going to be this ISN coconut shade natural curl defining cream. And as you know, I'm a big fan of their co-wash, and I just knew that their curl defining cream will also impress me. And look how thick that consistency is. I love this product, and I just tried it on my edges one day just because, you know, I couldn't wait to take out my hair to see how this product worked, and it actually held my edges in place. I was shocked. This is a visual I recorded last night when I did my edges, and look how strong and in place those edges are. So that is the power that this curl defining cream actually has. So here I am, just putting the product on my unruly edges, just, you know, coating my edges in this product, making sure that it has covered all of the hairs, or, you know, it has the edges have product all over them. And don't worry about the white. The white is obviously going to dry clear, so you really don't have to worry about that. Don't be too worried. And I'm just going to use the brush to just go ahead and style my edges. Now, this is my more unruly side. My edges don't really naturally go to the back. They actually go forward on this side, so I'm having to work with this side a little bit more than I have to on the other side. But look at that, it's just holding in place. I really was not expecting a curl defining cream to have like hold on edges, so I was really delightfully pleased with that, you know what I'm saying? And like I said, this product is perfect if you don't want to use a gel or a pomade, because I know gels can be kind of, you know, flaky, and they can like gunk up in your braids, especially if you're wearing like braids or protective styles. And also pomades can be very, very gunky, and as you like brush, you use it, you know, pretty much every day on your edges while you're wearing the hairstyle, and that can accumulate a lot of gunk in the base of your braids, and that could be very hard to remove when you take out the braids and cause, you know, breakage or damage to your hair. So I think you can definitely go for you can opt for a good curl defining cream, especially this one, to get a nice soft hold. Look at the baby hairs. Look at how it's laying down my sideburns, y'all. Like, I was so impressed with this product. And it's really good if you don't want to have to worry about product buildup throughout your protective styles, and also get a nice natural look. So like, the product is a curl defining cream, so it obviously is going to curl my hair. It's going to give it a nice hold for whatever style I'm putting in, and it's going to like not gunk up or dry out my edges. So it's perfect for braids and even twist outs. Whenever you want to get a natural looking baby hair look, if you don't want it to be too defined or too formed, you can go for a nice curl defining cream product to just give your hair or your edges a natural swoop curly look. So just watch how I style my hair, guys. If you have any questions, comment them down below. But this is me just showing you how easily it is to lay your hair with a curl defining cream. Like, I don't know if this is a thing to other people, but this was not a thing for me. Like, when I just couldn't wait to take out my hair, so I decided to see how this product worked on my edges, and I was really shocked. So I really hope you guys like this content. Just continue to watch. And this is how the product looks, you know, when you're pretty much, I'm not done styling the edges, but this is how it looks when the product dries. It actually dries with a nice hold, and the edges pretty much stay in place for a duration of time. So I'm just showing you guys how the edges actually have a hold, and they pretty much don't move when the product dries. So I I really hope you guys like this content. I just wanted to share the fact that I was using the curl defining cream on my baby hairs instead of a gel or pomade. This is pretty revolutionary for me. It may not be a big deal to you, but this was definitely revolutionary for me because gels and pomades get gunked up in my braids, and I really don't like doing my baby hairs for that reason, but I really love the natural baby hair look, especially with protective styles. So comment down below if you have any other products that you like to use for your baby hairs, and subscribe to my channel for more beauty and lifestyle videos. And I hope to see you guys in the next video, and like this video if you like this product or the outcome, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thanks again for watching. Bye.